Hey friends, Mrs. Hughes here. I'm ready to read aloud with you again today. Yesterday we started this story. Do you remember the name of this story or the title? Yes. If you pay a close attention to the picture of the book, it will help you with the title of the book. You're right. It's called School Bus. The author and the illustrator is Donald Cruz. He wrote the words in the story and he drew the pictures. It's kind of cool. He's both. Today, we are going to do echo reading. Do you remember doing that last week? The different story? Okay, so I will read first, and then I'll pause and go back to the beginning of the sentence or the word, and you will read on the other end of this computer. Okay? Now I'm going to trust that you're reading. It's an echo. I'll read it first, and when I stop, I'll go back and I'll point to it and give it time for you to read. Okay? All right. Here we go. I start, and then I'll go back, and then you do it. School bus. Good job. This is the front cover, and we just read the title. Now we're going to turn into the book to the title page, and it says School Bus. Your turn. By Donald Cruz. Do you want to do that part too? Okay. Here is where the story starts. Now, while we are reading today, boys and girls, I want you to make sure that you are paying close attention to the pictures. The pictures give you lots of very important information to what's happening in the story. There are words on the page, but the pictures also give you important insight to what's happening. I'll read first, and then you'll echo. Yellow school buses. There are lots of yellow school buses, aren't there? And they even say school bus on all of them. Large and small. Did you echo read that time? Don't forget. See it down here? Empty yellow buses cross the town. Your turn. Stop! Your turn. That was an easy one to echo read, wasn't it? It was just one word. This is a page that's very important to pay attention to the picture. The words only say stop, but the picture tells you so much more as to who is stopping and why they need to stop. Can you tell? The red light right here is telling the bus to stop so the man can walk by, right? And the people that want to walk this direction, it says don't walk, which is kind of like stop, because these cars are going and they have to wait until it's their turn. What do you think this says? Go. Your turn. Good job. Going this way. Going that way. You read. Good job. Here it comes. See you later. That sounds like something that someone would say to someone else. Who in this picture do you think is saying, see you later? I don't see any speech bubbles, so maybe Donald Cruz, the author and the illustrator, he didn't want to do a speech bubble. He just put the words down here. So who could be saying see you later? It's a thinking one. And why is this person saying see you later? Okay, so this man, yes, he's got his hand up and he's waving. It looks like he would be the person saying see you later. He could have a speech bubble right here and it says see you later, right? And he's saying see you later to his child on the school bus. Whoever's on the school bus that's in his family, he helped get him on the bus and he's waving, see you later. Yeah, good job, good job. Okay, here we go. Now remember, I'll read first and then I'll go back to the beginning and I'll be quiet and it'll be your turn to read it. Here we go. Full buses headed for school. Here we are. Turn too many pages. Too many pages. Okay. Right on time. Do you see other words in this picture? I see a really big word in this picture. Right up here. What does that say? Yes, you're right. It says school. So they are right on time for school. Empty buses wait. School's over. All right. Let's keep echo reading. Full buses cross the town. Your turn. Home again. Great job. And here's the man that said see you later, and he's hugging his son now that he's home from school. Here's the last page, the end of the story. It says home again. The kids were home again, and now what's home again? Yeah, the buses are back in their home in the parking lot, waiting for the next day. Great work today, guys. Thanks for echo reading with me. Now, that's something you'll do when you come to class, too. So, what was the name of the story again? Did you read it by yourself that time? School bus. Great work today, guys. Kiss your brain. See you later.